As we get closer to the July 4th weekend, the city has banned large gatherings of more than 100 people. But is that enough to keep you and others safe this weekend? Eyewitness News reporter Jordan Foster has the recommendations from Metro Health.
Well, for starters, the city's asking everyone to just stay home this holiday weekend, but they know there will be many people choosing to hang out with family. So the best thing for you to do is limit gatherings to only family members who you live with and make sure all activities happen outside. The city says at this point, anything taking place indoors could expose you or other family members to the virus. Outside, there's more fresh air and space, which means more room to social distance. They actually recommend having chairs already set up before people get there. They say people hanging out in the backyard this year should remember to still keep their mask on, keep a safe 6-foot distance from others, and should continue to wash their hands frequently. One more important thing to note, the city says people who have recently been tested for coronavirus and are still waiting on results should hold off on making any plans this weekend.
You should spend the time between when you got tested to when you get your results, you should be quarantining. You should be staying at home. You should not be interacting with other people.
And there are some other events happening this weekend, including a fireworks show at SeaWorld, but reservations are required. The city's annual 4th of July party has been canceled. Jordan Foster, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.